guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little Christmassy Santa boot. Now the good thing about this particular boot is that you can hang it up on your Christmas tree and it does not cost one bit. It's very simple, very easy, and can be made with the things that you have around the house except the little material that I'm going to use. You can use fabric of your choice. Any red cloth would do the same thing, so it's up to you. Yeah. To make this project, you will need some basic things: a pencil, a scale, some anchor threads, a big needle, fabric glue, cotton, felt, satin ribbon, and of course you will need some scissors. First thing that you do is measure out about 4.5 as the thickness, and length should be, I think I am happy with 6 centimeters. So the measurements would be 4.5 into 6. And well, you could actually make a double-sided one, but I don't prefer doing that, so I'm going to cut this separately. So now that we have the 2 felt sheet, it is okay that the second one isn't very neat. You can roughly do this because we are going to draw the Santa boots on this and cut up the rest, so it's okay. You don't have a straight line. I'm just going to quickly draw Santa boots on this one. Thing you have to do is move everything aside and take your needle and pop the anchor thread in your needle. Of course you need to tie a little knot, if you can see, and yeah, and then you'll have to start. So what you have to do is basically make sure that you get a nice little pattern on either sides, and a little bit about this much is going to be covered, so it's okay if your if your thread is seen at the start. So let's just start that. Okay, so I am back now. I went all the way following the pattern of my boot, and I have this at the end. So here's where I'm gonna show you how to finish this off. Now, I've never learned how to stitch, but this is just the way I would do it. So I'm just gonna show you. So you make a loop like that, and pop this in and just keep moving it to the bottom. That's it, and there you have it. It shouldn't come out. Yep. And then now you can cut this. So the next thing, before you wrap around your sock thing, it's time to stuff your cotton. So the way you're going to do that is first push it all the way. Just open this opening. Maybe take a little bit less to begin with. Okay, so open this, pop this here. Now, here's where your big needle is going to come in handy. So I'm just going to take my big needle and I'm going to push it. I'm going to push it all the way inside. Now, because we've done the stitching the way we've done it, you should have a hole that lets you push it all the way inside. So now it's here, if you can see that. I'm gonna take a little more and just keep doing that until the entire boot is kind of puffy. So just gonna pop that in and again pop it. So I'm happy with this. Okay, so I have finished stuffing this. You can see it is a little bit fatter than before. So what I'm gonna do, I've only filled it till here because I wanted a little bit of volume at the top. So I'm going to stitch it again with the same needle, just like one stitch maybe, like that, and do this. This should help. You can use glue gun to do this step because you don't really need it for the decoration or anything. But if you don't have glue gun, this is surely an option. You could use the fabric glue as well. The next thing we want to do is pop in the cotton. First, just place your sock or boot and check if it fits. If it fits, the next thing you're gonna have to do is put on some fabric glue. So one thing that I forgot to mention is that you have to attach, you need to attach the ribbon right here. Sorry about that. Right, so use the fabric glue to attach it like that, and pop in some more of that, and that's it. Okay, so that should be fine. So yeah, that is how you make little Santa boots that you can hang on your Christmas tree. That's all I have for you today. This is the finished product. This is how it's going to look, and you can definitely hang it up on your Christmas trees like that, or you could skip adding this little ribbon and use the boot for making beautiful Christmas cards like this one that I made. So I've used the same thing, it's just that this one is missing the string and this one is not. So So yeah, you could use it in any way possible. Do try this. It's very simple, very affordable, very easy. And yeah, let me know if you want to watch how to make this particular card. This is also very simple and it does not require a lot of crafting skills. You already know how to make the boot. Please do support me, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you. Bye.